Hi guys! Welcome to Be Live!
The day 4 of 12 live bidding sessions. Sorry, your name is?
Saffron.
And my name is June, and we'll be your host for you today.
We'll be here with you for the next 30 minutes.
And I promise you it's going to be very, very exciting. Don't forget to share this live stream with your friends because the Be Live admin is actually going to randomly choose a winner for our special mini giveaway, which is actually going to be a flavored popcorn from Kettle
Oh my
Gourmet.
god,
Look at that.
delicious!
It's beautiful. Alright, so
Yummy,
what else do you
yummy.
have to do?
So remember to give us a like by tapping on the heart
On the bottom right,
if
guys.
you're having a good time.
On the bottom. And for your own benefits, we're having a special mini giveaway, which is going to be an amazing
is very
flavored
rude.
popcorn that is given out by Kettle Gourmet themselves. Now, the winner will be actually announced at the end of the stream by the admin, so make sure you keep that sharing. All you have to do is just tap on that like, make those hearts fly up. At the same time, share it to any Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, any social platform that you have.
Bid for popcorn.
All right.
The top bid is...
Alright, once more, is there a bid for popcorn? I don't think there's a bid system for the popcorn because all you have to do is just like and share this live stream so you actually stand the chance to walk away with that amazing flavored popcorn.
Actually, the popcorn is quite nice.
Yeah, actually,
Tastes
it's not
like
bad.
Gareth.
I don't know what you call it. Is it Garrett's?
Garrett's
popcorn.
yes.
Yes, Garrett's popcorn.
Thank you for the
Shut
got
man.
prata popcorn. Don't have, sorry. Only teta.
6,
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and the winner
Oh my
will be shown very, very fast. The admin's gonna type out who the winner is going to be. So let's see the comments for all what's coming up, but we can't see the comments. Well, do we see anything in the comment section below?
Nigel.
I see the
Pug.
word Nigel. Pug. Ha 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 ha. Nigel at 276. Stolen comment is out as well. So I think it's out.
Oh, Sharpman won. Sharpman. Ismail,
Is it
right?
Sharpman?
Ismail.
Is it Sharpman? I think it should be showing on the screen very shortly on who just won this.